Ohayo! Good morning, good morning. Sorry about the breathing here. I'm climbing. I'm out riding solo today, heading out past Chichibu, and I'll try to reach a pretty cool little road. But before that, I've been thinking about having some kind of useful information in these videos. So if there's anything you want to know about riding here in Japan, leave a comment and might be able to do something. Today though, I was thinking you probably know about Japan and all the vending machines. And that's true. They're everywhere. Luckily for us pedal pushers, there are even plenty of them up towards the mountains and less populated areas. So today I will try to count how many vending machines I pass out towards my goal today. Whee! Downhill, downhill. Okay, so I realized if I keep filming every single vending machine, I won't have any battery left for today's main goal. So that was the vending machines I managed to whip out the camera to film. Around 15k maybe. I missed a few as well, but you get the point. You can survive here pretty easily on one bottle, even on really long rides. So yeah, the country of vending machines still holds true even up in the mountains. It's time to do some climbing again and see you on the other side. This area was one of my first, no, actually it was my first group ride here when I first moved to Japan. Shout out to Pete for letting me tag along. Hope you can come out and ride again soon. I think this is as far as I can go today because I already have 83k on the clock, and yeah, I need to head home. So once again, if you have any suggestions of stuff you want to know regarding riding here in Japan, let me know in the comments, and hopefully I can show you more of what this amazing place has to offer. Whee!